Halloween is tomorrow, and health officials are pleading with people to follow their recommendations so we don't see a spike in COVID cases, which could impact Thanksgiving and Christmas. Nikki Schenfeld has more.
Health officials are recommending people stay at home and avoid going door to door to trick or treat this year. But if you choose to do so, there are ways to do it safely. They say Halloween will be a test to see if people can follow basic guidance like mask wearing and social distancing without seeing a surge in cases in the coming weeks. Health officials are concerned too many people out trick or treating could lead to spread.
I usually take the kids to trick or treat in Manoa, and it's amazing. And even when people do that, it's a packed street. We're asking for a lot of people to be gathering, and that will cause an incredible amount of close contacts. It'll be impossible to trace, and you'll see spreads.
While most officials aren't participating in trick or treating this year, doctors say if you do, the person handing out treats and the kids receiving them should remain outside and 6 feet apart.
Have the group relatively small, such as 5 people at once, and make sure that at the end of each house, you use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer.
All officials want to make it clear that costume masks are not effective against COVID.
We know they usually have holes in them for you to breathe through for your mouth, so it's not doing the kind of protective measure that a mask is.
They say people should not wear a cloth mask underneath a costume mask because it can restrict breathing. They say it's up to everyone to avoid large Halloween gatherings so people can look forward to small family gatherings like Thanksgiving.
And if we can get it right this time and not see a surge, then that can give us some confidence that we know what to do for the holidays that are coming.
If we see a spike, it will come usually 15 to 20 days after a significant event. That's smack dab in the middle of Thanksgiving. Halloween is awesome, but it's not worth sacrificing that progress that people have sacrificed to make.
If you do go trick-or-treating, Dr. Brady reminds people to wash their hands for 20 to 30 seconds when they get home or add gloves as part of their costume. Nikki Schenfeld, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.